Good day, class. So today I am your student teacher, Princess Romilda Jean Iamaro, and I am the first presenter about the topic of business plan integration. So before we start our discussion, or before we dive into the main topic, I have here an image. I want you to look at this image and observe. Then what do you think is needed to start this kind of business? So before mag-start jud og for example aning potato corner business, dapat jud nato natay money and also plano ani nga business. Then why do you think planning is important before starting a business? So ang plano ang business plan, it is very important adisir ka mag-start sa imong business para ka makahibalo ka og unsa ang imong mga dapat mga kinahanglanon para mabuo ni nga business or para masugdan ang imong business. Then what might happen if a business has no clear plan? So, kung walay clear plan ang imong business, dako jud possibility nga kung naay problema ani, mga problema nga ma-face sa imong business, dili dayon nimo siya ma-solusyonan. Then, the third question is all about how can planning help a business succeed? So, by the help of planning, is masucceed jud imong business or mo-succeed kay tungod planado man. Kabalo ka og unsa ang mga kinahanglan, unsa ang starting point sa imong business, unsa ang imong pagsugod, unsa pod ang imong mga solusyon if maka-face ka og mga problem during sa pag sugod or sa kanang pag-process na sa imong business. And also ang business plan jud is pinaka-importante kung magsugod ka og business para mo succeed kay kabalo makag-unsa ang mga possible solutions nga imuhang ma-apply sa imong business kung naay mga ma-face nimo nga mga problema. Then, the topic that we're going to tackle today is all about business planning. But before that, I have here the learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to define business planning, explain the importance of a business plan in entrepreneurship, identify the components of a business plan such as executive summary, mission, and vision. Then, what is business planning? When we talk about business planning, it is about a business plan that is written guide that explain what a business wants to achieve and how it will achieve. It includes the business goals, strategies that you need to succeed. So, ang business planning, mao ni siya ang guide sa mga entrepreneurs para kung unsa ilang gusto nga ma-achieve sa ilang business o how it will achieve sa ilang business pod. So sa kaning business plan na include diriya ang pinaka-important nga mga strategies, especially kung naay business planning. Sa business planning na include diriya ang unsay imong goals, unsay imong mga strategies kay para ma-succeed ang imong business. So it also shows mga important information like the market. When we talk about the market, mao ni ang kanang kinsa ang imong mga customers o kinsa pod ang imong kakompetensya sa imong business. Then the second one is expected money. So sa business planning or sa imong business, dapat kabalo jud ka kung maka-income ba ka aning imong business o pila pod ang expenses sa imong business. Kung dako ra ba ang expenses kontra sa imong income or kung mas dako ang income kontra sa imong expenses. Then, and the people in the business and the rules. So, every business na adyo na yung mga ma-involve ng mga tao. Especially kung dako ang imong business nga gimugna. So, once nga na kay business nga huge business, na adyo na yung mga people, which is kanang mga people nga imong gisaligan, na po na si jay roles sa imong business. Then, why is it important to have business plan in entrepreneurship? Because a business plan is very important in entrepreneurship, it is because it helps them guide and support the success of a business. Kay tungod ang business dili ra all about a document. Kung naay business plan gani, dili ra na pasabot nga documents ra na siya kay naama kay business. Kung dili, mao ni siya ang tool ang gamiton sa mga entrepreneurs for planning and decision making. That's why ang business plan is very important in entrepreneurship. Kay naghatag man ni og guide og support kay para mo success ang mga business or ang business. Then, a business plan is important because first one is nag-provide siya directions. So it helps mga entrepreneurs nga ma-define kung unsa ang ilahang goals sa ilahang business. Then attracts investors and funding. Once nga imuhang business is well planned, na kay business nga planado ka jud, so ang mga investors and funding ana ma-attract sila, which is gusto nilang dakong possibility nga gusto sila mo support sa imong business, worth supporting sa imong business. Pag makita nila nga imong business is well planned, then identifies possible problem. As I've said earlier, the business plan help ni siya kay para ma-identify kung unsa ang mga possible problems nga ma-face sa entrepreneurs or sa business owner kung magtukod na siya og business, kung ma-create na niya ang business. Then, once nga makabulo siya kung sa ang mga possible problems, then makaprepare siya og unsay solution ana. Then, it supports decision making. It guides entrepreneurs to make informed choices. And the fifth one is promote growth and partnership. So, it helps in expanding the business and building connections. So, kung nakay business plan, ma-promote and also mo growth ang imuhang business or mo expand pa imuhang business. Kay tungod, pwede mo na siya, kasagaran bitaw business, for example, kanang potato corner nga business, no? Diba, na-expand na siya, daghan na mga potato corners business sa lain-lain pod nga lugar. It is because nag-build man, kana nga business is well planned na siya and nag-build po na siya connections sa others entrepreneurs or sa others pod nga or kung dili na siya partnership bitaw. That's why it build connection and expand the business. It helps build connection and also ma-expand pod ang business. Then the next one is role of entrepreneurship in business planning. So unsa kaya ang role of entrepreneurship in business planning? So ang entrepreneurship plays a key role in business planning because they turn ideas into real business. So ang mga entrepreneurs, nag-use sila og business planning para ma-organize ang ilahang ideas and also mo nilang gigamit nga guide on how the business will work and grow. So that's why ang role of entrepreneurship in business planning is very important. Kaya when we talk about business plan, it is the important papers or important documents of a business. But when we talk about the role of entrepreneurs in business planning, sila ang magmugna sa katunga mga plano sa documents or sa business plan into a real business na. That's why it is very important the role of entrepreneurship in business planning. Now, we will proceed to what is executive summary. So when we talk about executive summary, it is a short overview of a business plan. It is usually placed at the beginning of the document but written last. So, ang executive summary mo ni short from the word short overview of your business plan. So ang purpose ani para ma-quickly explain kung unsa jud ang imuhang purpose, unsa jud ang imuhang point sa imuhang business. So sa mga investors, sa imuhang mga partner or sa mga other entrepreneurs nga nakipag-collaborate ka, so ang ilahang tan-awon ana ang executive summary. Dili na nila na basahon ng whole business plan nga imong gihimo. Kundili dito sila sa executive summary kay ang executive summary as I've said earlier nga it quickly explain kung unsa ang so what the business is about, what it wants to achieve and how it plans to succeed. So mao na ang basahon sa mga entrepreneurs or mga other investor nga imong ka-collaborate sa imong business. Kay kung ilahatong basahon tong business plan nga whole jud, it takes a lot of time. That's why naaning executive summary para maghatag og short overview sa imuhang business plan. Then, the next one is overview of the business. So when we talk about the overview of the business, it gives a clear and simple description of what the business is. Kung may nga tag executive summary, mo tong short overview of your business plan. But when we talk about overview of the business, mo na ning maghatag og clear or simple description kung unsa ang imuhang business. So it usually includes kung unsa ang imuhang business name, type of business, it's either product ba na siya or services nga business, and what the business does, and kinsa imuhang mga customers, and where the business operates. So mao ning kasagaran na include sa overview of the business. And also, the most important thing sa nga dapat sa mga business is ang imong mission and vision. So, ang imong mission, pasabot ana kung unsay purpose sa imong business karon. What you do now or today's purpose of your business. Sa vision pod, it talks about future dream nimo sa imong business. What you want to become sa imong business. Unsa day imong gusto nga mahitabo or vision nimo aning imong business. Then mao na ang pinaka-importante sa imong business ang mission nimo ug ang vision. And again, ang mission is all about today's purpose or karon nga purpose sa imong business, while the vision is ang future dream or what you want to become sa imong business. Unsa day gusto nimo mahitabo sa imong business in the future. And that concludes my topic. Thank you for listening, everyone.